Hey, in this video, I will show you how to use photo templates on TikTok. It basically works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. But before we start, I gotta tell you that you should watch the video all the way until the end. Like it for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot and helps get a few more views. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great. But the goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And also comment down below if you have any questions around this video, or if there's something specific that you want us to cover in one of the next videos. We'll try to help you out ASAP. So to actually use photo templates on TikTok, what you gotta do is very simple. You just want to open up the TikTok app, just select just click the plus sign at the bottom right corner, and from there you just want to let it load. Click on the templates option at the bottom, and then after that you have a variety of templates to choose from, and I'll just select any random photo that I was sent in the last few days and show you how it works with it. So you want to select any of the templates that you're presented with. My favorite song, for example, is one of them, and I'll just select some random photo that I've received. For example, this one of those sneakers and that my wife bought. So you just click on it, select them, click on OK, and you can just choose one for this filter, and it uses it. It's very simple, as I promised. So if this video helped you out, just give me a like. Each like helps out a lot. We're actually uploading hundreds of videos every single week, just like this, for your value. So if you appreciate it, comment down below which country are you watching this video from, especially if you're one of the committed people that watch the video all the way until the end. See you next video.